What's up, everybody? Right behind me we got the trailer, my cousin's trailer. Thank you to Christian for letting me borrow it for now, due to my trailer still needing some repairs. So today is Thursday, November 26th, and it is officially Thanksgiving weekend. We will be heading out to Glamis either tonight or tomorrow morning. So we are going to be taking the automatic Polaris that I just bought, the $500 special. We're going to go see how that runs. We're taking my Banshee, we're taking the 400EX, and then my sister's Trailblazer. Last minute things I need to do is go to the store and buy 2-stroke oil, spark plugs, flags for this bike and the other Trailblazer. And this video is basically going to be Glamis prep, Thanksgiving Glamis prep. I need to get another gas tank. We got the ice chest right there filled with the Modelos. We got all the food right here. This is just part of it. We are going to be tenting. Unfortunately, the toy hauler, the guy ranked out last minute. They're going to be using it this weekend, so hopefully after this weekend I'm going to get it off of him. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to get started by fixing this bike real quick. I'm going to load the Banshee up first on the trailer, this bike second, the Trailblazer third, so I could put ice chest in between, and then the Honda 400EX will be going on another truck that we're going to be taking. We're not taking my truck, we're taking another truck. But yeah guys, this is Glamis prep, Glamis 2020 Thanksgiving. Let's go. So we're just going to go one by one on the quads. This quad needs the air filter put back on. I went ahead and cleaned it and put on some new like the air filter oil. So we're going to put that on, and this bike should be ready to go. Last thing before the seat is the box, the lid. And I like to clean everything before. I clean it up a little bit. It's not going to be perfect. It's better than it was. Got back on top. Ready to start. There you have it. Bike's ready. The bike that I just picked up. If you want to take a look at it, in the previous video, I picked this bike up for $500, non-running. The battery charged right up. So now it's time to put the Banshee. Put my Banshee on the trailer, and then I'm going to put the automatic on, and I'm going to throw on the other automatic, and then this one, since it has no Nerf bars or anything like that for the feet, I'm going to put this in the truck so we can load up more stuff in it. We're almost ready, guys. Glamis 2020. Bike number 2 is going to be the new Polaris I just picked up. Already has paddles on it. So once again, this is a bike that's gonna go in the back of the truck. We're not having Nerf bars. We're gonna go ahead and put gas tanks, ice chest, sleeping gear, all right here. And every other bike has stuff for our feet. So this is the last bike that's gonna be going on the trailer. I don't have paddles, but I'm gonna air down. We should be fine. This is how it's looking. There you guys have it. Like I said, I'm not taking my truck this time. I'm taking my homie's truck. We're gonna put the Honda in that truck, and then here's my Banshee. Here's the automatic I just picked up. Here's my sister's bike. This is the trailer setup, and then I still got the other bike on the truck, which is right there. So there you guys have it. So there's the Honda 400EX, top of the truck. Here's the, my Banshee. Here's the rest of the bikes, the trailer. So we're officially ready for Glamis. Let's go. Glamis Prep 2020. We're to Walmart. Go ahead and get the last of our supplies, which is ice, eggs. You forgot the eggs. We're in the bike shop right now to get some more two-stroke oil, and here they are. We're almost there, guys. Glamis Thanksgiving 2020. COVID ain't stopping us. Oh yeah, oh yeah.